Okay, YouTubers, no 10 minutes worth of rage music introduction blasting in your ears. You got a Grand Caravan or a Town and Country. You got some electrical problems with it. Let's get right into it. On this one, which is a 2008 Grand Caravan with a 3.3 liter, I would turn the key and I would just hear and it wouldn't start. The last straw was when I was driving down the road and the engine just completely cut out. I also had the ESP lights on, the brake lights on. It was like Christmas morning on the dash. So I did a lot of research, and these motors have bad grounds. So what I did is I went over to Walmart and I got a 2-foot section of starter to switch cable, double eyelet. I went down here to where the battery grounds to the chassis, cleaned everything up, put one end of the cable here, and looped the other end of the cable down around to the transmission dipstick filler tube bolt right there. You see the other end of the cable down there at the bottom. There it is. And it just goes back to where the battery grounds to chassis. Then, on the other side, I went on to the alternator bracket here and just looped another 2-foot section down around to chassis ground here. Super simple, take you 2 minutes. Clean up everything as you go along. Clean the bolt, clean the bracket, clean down here where the other end of the cable touches. Magically, all my problems are gone. No more lights. It starts right up strong. It idles beautifully. I can't even tell the motor's running at the lights. Down here, this little strap down here is what Chrysler considers a chassis to ground. What a pathetic joke. This thing just pushes onto a tab, it's wire mesh, and then it's clipped onto a painted surface down here on the bottom. I took that off, cleaned it up, but I wanted to make sure I had good ground, so I got one here. Again, it goes to the alternator bracket, and again, down here where the battery grounds to chassis, and I ran that over to the transmission dipstick filler tube bolt, which goes right into the transmission, which is bolted to the motor. So I know I've got good grounds now. So that's it, 3 minutes worth of video. $15 in about 10 minutes can solve your electrical problems. Thank you.